In this video, we will guide you through the process of capturing earnings. This workflow is completed by the external user, member payroll, or the individual responsible for capturing earnings. To begin, log in as the member payroll user. Search for a claim where medical liability has been accepted. The claim will be sitting with the member and will appear within a workflow prompting the capture of earnings. Once the claim has loaded, click the ellipsis and select View to open it. Important: earnings can be captured even before liability has been determined. Navigate to the Earnings tab, then select the Active Workflow sub-tab. Click the Select hyperlink to open the earnings screen. On this screen, you can capture the applicable earnings. Under Non-Variables, enter the relevant earnings types based on the statement of earnings received. As the member payroll user has full visibility of payroll information, they will know exactly which earnings to capture. Enter the amounts in the corresponding earnings type fields. Once all details have been captured, click Save. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the earnings have been saved successfully. And that is how earnings are captured.